Welcome back to Online Tools Master. In today's tutorial we're exploring the Logo Color Separator, the world's simplest online logo color splitter. This tool separates a PNG logo into layers based on its colors. You can use automatic color layering to let the program detect dominant logo colors, or choose select custom color layers to manually extract exact shades. It also gives you options to arrange layers side by side, or combine them into one, crop and center the layers, set transparent or colored backgrounds, and even add borders around each layer for clarity. It's quick, free, and very powerful. To access it, open your browser, search for onlinepngtools.com, and head straight to Logo Color Separator. Now let's see 3 examples in action. Example 1. Split IMDb logo into 2 color layers. Here's our first input, the IMDb logo. We apply automatic color layering, set the number of colors to 2, and let the algorithm detect yellow and black. For placement, we select Arrange side by side. The result, 2 neat layers, each showing one brand color, displayed next to each other with a transparent background. Here's the clean output. To download it, just click Save As. Example 2. Isolate NFL logo layers by color. Next, here's the input, the NFL logo. This time we use select custom color layers. We specify 3 colors, red D60303, blue 003069, and white FFFFFFF. For placement we select Arrange side by side. Each layer is centered, the background is set to Gainsborough, and we add a thin 1-pixel black border around each layer. Here's the clear output with 3 separated layers. To download, click Save As. Example 3. Extract specific colors from the Tide logo. Finally, here's the input, the Tide logo. We use select custom color layers to extract only 2 shades, blue 084AA1 and orange EF4C20, both with a threshold of 5%. For placement, we choose Combine into one, so both colors are layered together in a single image. We enable crop logo layers to remove extra space and keep the background transparent. Here's the simplified 2-color Tide logo. To download, click Save As. And that's how you can separate and customize brand colors using the Logo Color Separator. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't miss our previous video on the color name converter for creating color palettes from codes. Go to onlinepngtools.com, open Logo Color Separator, and start separating your own logos today. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tutorials every week.